Now let us understand the important features of the solid catalysts. The solid catalyst shows two major features which are very important. The first is their activity, which means by how much times they increase the rate of the reaction. See, these solid catalysts are very efficient and they show very high activity. And their activity mainly depends on the extent of chemical adsorption. Extent of chemical adsorption shown by these catalysts. Stronger is this chemical adsorption of the reactant molecules by these catalysts, more energy is released, lesser will be the EA required for the reaction, higher will be the rate of the reaction. And this is what is being noticed, that in the periodic table, this extent of chemical adsorption increases from group number 7 to 9, which is it is maximum. It is mainly is more in case of a transition elements, but it is maximum for the elements which are there in group 7 to 9. They show maximum extent of this chemical adsorption. That's why their activity is very, very high. The second important property is their selectivity. The catalysts are highly selective in nature. They direct a reaction towards a particular type of product and its yield. If it changes the catalyst, that particular product will not be obtained. Now this can be clearly explained by taking an example of water gas. If water gas is heated in presence of nickel, the product obtained is methane and water. If the same water gas is treated with the catalysts like copper, zinc oxide, chromium oxide, the product obtained is methanol. The same water gas, when actually heated in presence of catalysts like copper, it gives formaldehyde. So what we find is that the same reactants are giving the different products the moment these catalysts are changed. So these catalysts directs the reaction towards a particular type of product and they increases the yield of that particular product. Once they are replaced, you will not get the same product. So that is why they are highly selective in their nature. So these are the major important features of solid catalysts.